All right, this video is going over number 8 from homework 4.8 day 2, and we have to get rid of the I in the denominator. So when you have a binomial down here, we're just going to multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate. So I'm going to keep everything the same except just switch the sign in between them. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom, in this case, by 6 plus I. Just change the sign. Okay, and so then to figure it out, the denominator and numerator are actually both going to have to FOIL. So it's kind of a little bit of work, but the denominator will clean up nice and neat. Negative 6 times negative 6, negative 6 times I, negative I times negative 6 will become plus 6I, and then negative I times positive I will be negative I squared. Again, the middle two cancel out, and then I squared is negative 1. This becomes subtract negative 1 or plus 1, gives us a denominator of 37. Okay, and now we just got to clean up the numerator. So negative 2 times negative 6 is 12. Negative 2 times I. 2I times negative 6. And then negative 2I times I would be positive 2I squared. And then just keep cleaning up that numerator. So this back part here is going to become negative 2 because it's negative 1 times 2. And then this middle part will become minus 14I. So combine the like terms, so we'd have 12 minus 14I minus 2 over 37. And then 12 minus 2 is 10. So you have 10 minus 14I, and then just 37 still on our denominator. And that's as simple as it gets. All right, thanks for watching.